Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate a variation of a popular openwork stitch. I've added a loop to enhance the stitch's beauty and stability. The stitch alternates between solid and openwork vertically. I will explain a technique for the denser part at the beginning of the video. Towards the end of the video, I will also explain how to knit in a round. The pattern consists of 5 loops and 2 rows. To start, we need to cast on several loops, a multiple of 5 plus 4 for symmetry, and 2 edge loops. Let's begin by discussing the techniques utilized in this knitting project. To knit 2 loops together with a slant to the right, with the right needle, pick up 2 loops through the front. Make a loop using the working yarn. Drop the 2 loops together. To knit 2 loops together with a slant to the left. Slip the first loop as if to knit. Knit the second loop. Push the second loop through the slipped one. Slip the first loop as if to knit. Knit the second loop. Push the second loop through the slipped one. The first row is on the right side. Slip the edge loop first, then knit 2 loops together with a slant to the right. Make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slant to the left. And knit 1. Again, knit 2 together with a slant to the right, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slant to the left, and knit 1. Knit 2 together with a slant to the right. Make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slant to the left, and knit 1. At the end of the row outside the scheme, knit 2 together with a slant to the right, make a yarn over loop, and knit 2 together with a slant to the left. On the second row, start by slipping the edge loop, then purl 1 stitch. Next, knit the yarn over loop twice. Purl it first and then knit it. After that, purl 1 stitch and slip 1 loop with the thread in front. Repeat, purl 1 stitch and knit the yarn over loop twice, purl it first and then knit it. After that, purl 1 stitch and slip 1 loop with the thread in front. At the end of the row, outside the pattern, purl 1 loop, then purl the yarn over loop and knit it. Finally, purl 1 stitch. When knitting in the round, there is no symmetry and edge stitches. We start with several loops multiple of 5. The first row remains the same, knit 2 together with a slant to the right, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slant to the left, and knit 1. In the second row, the scheme changes. Knit 1, purl the yarn over loop, without dropping, knit it. Then knit 1 and slip 1 loop with the thread at the back. On this screen, you can see the flat and round knitting patterns. You can copy them by pausing the video and taking a screenshot with the print screen button. This new openwork knit is perfect for summer clothing because it is airy and meshy. It's also suitable for scarves and capes. If you need ideas on how to create a beautiful shawl, cape, or cardigan side border, you can check out my suggestions in the following 2 links for a 2 or 3 stitch side border. I hope this information has been helpful, and that you'll find this knitting technique useful in future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.